In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present a PowerPoint on Google Meet. Presenting your slides during an online meeting can be a seamless experience with just a little bit of preparation and knowing the right steps. First things first, ensure that your PowerPoint presentation is open on your computer. It's important not to minimize it, as this will make it easier to find later when you're selecting which window to share. By keeping your PowerPoint open, you'll be saving precious time and avoiding potential technical hiccups during your presentation. Next up, launch Google Meet and join your scheduled meeting. Google Meet is a user-friendly platform, but it's always good to make sure you're comfortably logged in and ready before proceeding. Once you're in the meeting, it's crucial to check that your camera and microphone are functioning properly. Make sure your video is clear and your microphone is picking up sound well. This helps keep your presentation professional and engaging. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of the Google Meet screen and locate the Share Screen button. Clicking on this will initiate the process of sharing your slides with other meeting participants. When you click that button, you'll be presented with a few options. For the purpose of this exercise, choose the option labeled A Window. This allows you to only share your PowerPoint presentation, keeping other parts of your screen private and reducing distractions for your audience. After selecting a window, you'll see a list of all open windows on your computer. Find your PowerPoint presentation in this list and select it. Thoroughly verify it's the correct window to ensure you're sharing the right content with your audience. Once you've selected your PowerPoint, proceed to click the Share button. This action will immediately broadcast your PowerPoint to all participants in the meeting. You'll want to be sure that the presentation is visible on their screens, so take a moment to ask if everyone can see it before you delve into your content. Now, within your open PowerPoint window, begin the slideshow. You can do this by clicking the Slideshow tab or pressing the F5 key on your keyboard. This full screen mode ensures your slides are presented in an organized manner to all the viewers. Finally, when you're finished delivering your presentation, don't forget to click the Stop Sharing button in Google Meet. This effectively ends your screen sharing, bringing the focus back to just the video of your meeting. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to present your PowerPoint slides effectively on Google Meet. With these steps, you can ensure a smooth and professional presentation every time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.